Hey guys, welcome back. Fine Town's Adventures. It's actually looking like something now. So we put up the, if you can see, the rafters on the end there. You can see in the front they're not there, but in the back they're there. So we put another one in. We did double on the end. I'll get to that in a minute. But starting from the front here, got the post in the ground. We got half the decking on it. And this is how we did this here. Do these posts, and you can see right there, they're notched in for the front and for the there, because that's load bearing. So it also sits down on the notch and sits down there, and it's all screwed in. And it's a double beam in the front. We also notched them posts. They're all notched like that because that's load bearing wall. Because there's a log, there'll be posts back up so you can see. So there'll be 4 posts coming down and a beam going across there, and then the porch roof will go on there. So we're trying to get the porch done. But anyways, back to the back here, we did double rafter back here on the outside edge. I don't know if you can see some of got the plywood up there, sheeted. Need to run a chalk line and then cut them ends off. That's why it's overhanging a little bit. We haven't done that yet. But if you look at the rafter and the log, wherever it is there, see how the rafter is out an inch past that log. You want that so that you're keeping your log, purlin log, ridge log all dry. So I got that set up. For you. Rafters done. That. Board on the end there. What's that called? Fascia, I think. Yeah, we got that all sheeted. There'll be what's called snow and ice that will go on this. Once again, got quite a bit done here last few days. For the front, we just haven't worked on that. That's pretty sore on your body to work on that 10-12 pitch of a roof. Sheeted on the porch. So I said it's halfway. See if I can get up here. Oh! I have some problems with my knee. It's going to be sticking out. All 3 of these will be. But yeah, super excited, you guys. Pretty soon we'll have her dried in. kitchen window. Yeah, you can see a little bit of the porch there, but, or not the porch, but the eave there, what I'm showing you. But what we had to do was make sure we missed the logs, the butt ends of the logs, where they at. It's overhanging the log, so we want to make sure them stay dry, otherwise they will rot out. So, thought I'd show you guys the progress. Okay guys, so we stuck around a little bit longer. Well, worked a little later than we wanted to, but we got the rest of these deck boards on, all except for the last one. Oh, Joni's screwing on one there, but last one we got a rip. If you can see it. Yeah, that last one we got a rip. Hey! You guys! Yeah, we gotta rip that board because you start from the outside with your inch overhang, you work in. Now if you gotta rip one, it's no big deal. So we gotta rip the last one. Probably won't get time tonight, but we want to get this part done. So, thank you guys for watching. So excited, coming together, a lot of work. One man's dream. Remember, don't let your disability hold you back. You want to do something, get out there and do it. Catch you on the next one.